Item D, adopt a resolution rejecting all bids for the on-call concrete repair and replacement project.
Now will be even better. Rejection of all bids for the concrete repair and replacement program. 4 years ago, the council approved a very comprehensive sidewalk program focusing on public safety, specifically on pedestrian safety and accessibility. As part of, as the result of this sidewalk program, in the last 3 years, the city already repaired a very high number of sidewalk location and also implemented many ADA ramps, both city responsibility and also private sidewalk repair responsibilities throughout the city. The purpose and the scope of this contract was to combine all of the concrete type of work included in 3 different CIP projects for this year, and to request bid proposal and to have a concrete contractor repair 70 sidewalk location and 66 ADA ramps throughout the city. As response to our bid request, the city received 3 bids. The lowest bid was non-responsive. Our second bidder had a small error in the bid document. The third, the city concluded that that small error is acceptable, and based on our bid requirements. The third bidder of the project filed a protest with the city. Was a administrative hearing was conducted, and our conclusion was that the protest is unfounded. But considering the low number of proposals received by the city and the irregularities experienced with this bidding process, our recommendation is to reject all of the bids and to reopen the bid, and it is our expectation that the city will receive hopefully even more and good bid proposal, and is our intent to come back after, if you agree with this decision and you will approve the rejection of all bids. The department will reopen the bid and will come back with a new recommendation for your consideration. If you have any question.
Any questions of staff for action?
Oh. I'll introduce the resolution.
Councilmember O'Connell.
Aye.
Councilmember Medina.
Aye.
Vice Mayor Salazar.
Aye.
Mayor Ruane.
Aye.